Hey guys, my name is Sagar. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up shipping for your dropshipping store. Even if you have the old shipping settings or you have the new shipping settings. I remember when I started dropshipping, all this stuff, setting up shipping and all this stupid stuff, this is the last thing I wanted to focus on. I just wanted to focus on products and Facebook ads. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys. So you can just copy paste this little 10-minute video and get this part over with and get back to Facebook ads and start focusing on what's important. Remember, Facebook ads is what is most important. So I'm just making this video to help you guys to save more and more of your time. Let's just not waste any more time. Let's just get into my computer. All right, guys, so you jump into my computer. First thing you want to do is go to settings, click right here, and it will land something like, you will land on something like this. And then next thing you want to click on shipping. Remember, we're going to be covering two things in this. How to do free shipping, how to set up free shipping for your store, and then what I usually do for all my stores. And that's how I want you to set up your shipping. So first, let's just set up free shipping. So usually it will be nothing here, right? If you're just starting a new store, this is what you want to do. You want to click on Add Shipping Zone. And then you want to do right here, zone name, you can name it anything. Let's just name it Sagar Miller. And make sure after this, make sure to write this, smash the like button. You want to make sure you smash the like button. All right, so this, you can name this anything you want, right? So then you want to do is go to countries and region and select manage. And then right here you see rest of the world. You just click this rest of the world and you just do save. Boom. So this, what we are doing is we are selecting, telling Shopify on our old store, if you have old settings, select all the stores, and then we do pricing, how much you want to charge for all those countries. So you want to do price-based shipping, easiest one to set up, add rate. And I usually, rather than typing free shipping, I always type tracked shipping. So you want to type tracked shipping and just click this setting right here, free shipping rate, and just click done. And then when you save it, your store will literally have free shipping. We just set up a free shipping as in front of you guys. So you click buy now, and then you click secure checkout, and then you fill up the information. I just skipped that part. And then it should look like this: shipping method, tracked shipping plus free, and then people can go ahead and pay for your store and this should be good. What I would recommend you if you are starting out? First, if you are just in the testing phase, stick to this exact setting. You don't want to mess with shipping, just focus on the product. But once you have the sales rolling in, everything's going good, I would want you to charge for shipping. I know there's a whole stigma out there, or don't charge for shipping, it's going to kill your conversion rate. That's not true. That is especially not true if you charge less than $4. The magic thing is here, charging a random number that's under $4, and then people just think, oh, they're buying a $40 product. They really don't mind paying $3 extra for shipping, or $383, $362. The magic number I use is $345, and I can show you guys. Look at this. And it really does not hurt at all. Believe me, I know there's a whole society telling you, oh, this is going to kill your conversion rate and all that good stuff, but that's not true. It doesn't do nothing. Look at this. My store is doing great. I have done 523 orders. Everything is great. So don't overthink it. If you have sales coming in, this is what you want to do. So you want to go to settings, in the shipping settings, and then you want to edit this. And then this is how exactly I set up my shipping. So you edit. So this one right here, we don't charge free shipping. We charge 3.45. Boom. And then we're going to add another rate. I usually like to name it first class tracked shipping plus insurance. It's literally the same thing. It's nothing different because I provide insurance to my customers anyway. If anything happens to their package since they receive it, I always give them a refund. So it's basically free money. So for this one, I charge 6.45. Like I said, you can charge a random number. Try to charge 683, 682. And for track shipping, you can charge 315, 318 or some random number, and then another rate. I never did this before, but I started doing this, and I'm not gonna lie, this does make a good amount of money, and it's free money, literally. So you click name here, you add this, plus insurance, plus warranty, and then rate amount, I set it up 9.45, that's how I set up, boom, and same. And when you save it, this is kind of how your checkout process looks like. Boom, you'll have three options and people can select either or, and you should be making free money. But like I said, if you're still sketch about charging shipping, this is what I would recommend. I would go to the settings and I'll just edit this rate, tracked shipping, just do $0 then. Do free shipping for this product, and boom. Save it. If you're a sketch, test it out for yourself. I want you to test it out because I already did my test, and personally, this makes me more money. So I would never go the free shipping route. But whenever I'm testing a product, I usually stick with free shipping because when I'm testing, I want zero resistance. I'm just collecting data. So this is how you can set it up if you still have sketch in your sketch or whatever you have in your brain that, oh, it's not gonna work, try this. All right, so now let's jump into the new way of setting up shipping. So if you have a new store, your shipping settings should look something like this. You click on shipping and it's completely different. It says shipping profile and general profile. So I'm going to show you how you set up shippings on a new store. So this is what you do. Whatever, if there's anything, clear it out. And then if there's no profile, create a new profile and it will be right here. You can name it whatever. And then what you want to do is, next thing is smash the like button. Again, make sure to smash the like button because that really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And that helps me get more views. More views means more quality content. More quality content means you can make money online just by watching my videos. So make sure to like the video. So next thing you want to do is click on manage rates. And then you see this is the products I have in the store. And then what you want to do is go to this overload thing. There will be an overload setting and do add rates. I don't know why they made it super complex, but it's actually, if you learn it, it's pretty cool. The new way of setting is you want to do add rates and you just want to do done. And then it should look something like this. And then you do create shipping zone. And then same thing, rest of the word, and name the zone name Sagar Miller. Your customer's now gonna see it, so you can name anything, but I want you to name Sagar Miller. So Sagar Miller, and then you want to do add rate. It's kind of the same thing, but a little bit different way of doing it. So same thing. If you want to do free shipping, you click track shipping right here. Like I said, if you have sketching, if you think that charging shipping to customers is gonna kill your conversion rate, do 0. But me personally, I'm gonna do 345 because that's how I do on all my stores, and you just do done, boom. And then what next you can do is same thing, copy and paste. First class tracked shipping plus insurance. You do add rate. You type this right there. You do add that, and then 6.45. You can charge 6.75, whatever. Just a random number so people think, oh, it's legit. Because if you go to UPS or any other website, especially when you ship any packages, they always have a random number. That just kind of gives the impression in your brain, psychology, that, oh, they're really charging for shipping rather than charging them $9.99. And $9.99 for shipping is really too high, especially if you're already charging them for product. So stick to anything under $4, but you can go over $4 if you're giving them insurance and lifetime warranty. What exactly is lifetime warranty? It's kind of nothing, if I'm being 100% honest. It's just my way of making more money, and I does provide my customers free insurance and free lifetime warranty anyway. Even my customers hit me up after 6 months, they don't like the product, I issue them the refund anyway. So I would rather charge them than giving them away for free. Even if people select tracked shipping, I have trained my VAs to be pretty generous. They usually issue the refund or give them whatever they want. They want another package, we'll just ship them. We don't really care about that. We just want to avoid that disputes. So right there, and then let's add this one too. First class tracked shipping plus lifetime warranty. This is what I would recommend you do. Boom. And remember, this is how it's going to look on the new thing. Done. And then save. And let's just go to this one of this store and see how it looks. So you can go on my store right here. LED lights. So let's just enter all the information. Let's say Sagar Miller @gmail.com. That is not my Gmail address. I'm just making it up. First name, smash, like button. All right, and then add, just add anything. TUP, whatever, I don't care. Los Angeles, country is United. Like I said, I haven't set anything up. I should. Well, it's certainly tweaking. Well, let's see what it does. Here we go. Now there's United States, boom. And then it will get the rates, boom. These are the 3 rates we just added right here, and they're right there. And the new way of shipping is really, really cool because there's this new thing called, you can create another profile. And let's say for certain products, if you want to charge more, you can do that. But like I said, if you're drop shipping, it's kind of pointless. But like I said, if you're shipping out packages yourself and you have different kind of rates to shipping to different location, you can do that. Let's say you're selling t-shirts, you want to charge them a little bit more for shipping, you can just add select products. So all the t-shirts you have in your store, select them. Let's say we selected this, and then shipping from whatever headquarters. So you want to create a shipping zone and rest of the word, and then zone name, of course, Sagar Miller. I'm just writing this my name. You can type anything. Customers won't see this. And then you just add the rate. Let's say for t-shirts, you want to charge them more. You want to charge them $12 for shipping. Or if it's a glass product, you want to charge them more. So you can just type the thing, fragile shipping. Boom. Save, save, save. And then every time all the products you have in this setting, whenever people add that, that setting will come up here. Right now, it's going to be a little mess because I haven't set it up properly, but this new way is really great to set it up. I know probably a lot of people, you are thinking, oh, how to set up free plus shipping. Recently, I haven't heard any success story from free plus shipping, so I'm not going to include that in the video. But if you still want to know, you can leave a comment in the video. Let me know if you want me to make a video on free plus shipping. But recently, last time I heard a free plus shipping story was literally 11 months ago. So I think that model is not working anymore. I might be wrong. I might be in the wrong. But if you want me to make a free plus shipping, let me know. I can create one for old setting and for new settings. That's it for today's video. Hope I added some value to your life and hope I took care of this little stupid part where you set up shipping, all that. Because I remember when I started, I didn't want to focus on nothing, setting up all that stuff. I just wanted to focus on products and Facebook ads and all that stuff. And that's what I want you to do. So copy paste this video and get to Facebook ads and start making this money and get some Gucci shoes for yourself. And that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next video.